Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of N sound. N is the 14th letter of the alphabet. It makes the N sound, just like in nose. Try saying N while touching your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Word recognition. Let's learn some words that start with N. N for nest, a home for birds. N for nose. We use it to smell. N for net, used to catch fish. N for nurse, a person who helps sick people. Can you think of more words that start with N? Writing practice. Let's trace and write N and N. Follow the dotted lines carefully and practice both uppercase N and lowercase n. Say N every time you write it. Activity. Beginning. Sound recognition. Look at the pictures below and write the first letter. Necklace. Write N, nightingale. Write N, newspaper. Write N, nail. Write N, needle. Write N. Great job! You're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with N. New words. Necklace, a beautiful jewelry piece. Nail, a part of your fingers. 9, a number 9. Needle, used for sewing. Newspaper, a paper that gives daily news. Notebook, a place to write. Nightingale, a small singing bird. Net, used for catching things. Wow, you did an amazing job learning about the letter N. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all the letters. Next time we'll explore another exciting letter. See you soon. Bye-bye.